Hello guys, new day, new video, new machine. One more time I want to show you Yilong tattoo equipment shop. This is now I speaking about one tattoo machine, name is F3. First box, very professional, very nice, you see it. What is the difference with this machine? Now we will say everything. And when you open it, you have a nice box. There you have a user manual and production parameter. Nice. When you open box, you have machine with one machine with two batteries, USB cable, and here is everything. This we will leave it here, use manual here, and battery here. What is the difference with Yilong F3? You can choose different strokes. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different strokes. You see it, the battery. I'm started battery. Voltage, battery is in this position, is not normal down, is there. Operation volt is from 4 to 12, of course. Battery working is around 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, you have a 2. Strokes is different, from 2.3, 2.7, 3.2, 3.8, 4.2 and 4.5. Grip, click system, battery, you can make another position. When you're working, then you can better see it. And everything else is not so specific, something new. What is the difference? You have a display in color, but in Yilong that is normal. Every display is in color and very nice to see it. When you're starting machine, push it the middle button, and then if you want to stop it, only push it back. Second battery is here. When you push it, middle button, machine work is very silent. You cannot hear nothing, and is nice in hand to handle low vibration and everything. It's very good. Low vibration and noise is nice. Have a same what is important for this machine is quick start stop. Push, start, stop, stopping. No 1, 2, 3 seconds more. Is fast stop, fast done, fast start, fast stop. For me, in my case, that is very important. Every machine that I see it with adjustable strokes is from 4.2 or 4 to 2.4. This one is a little bit different. You have a 4.5, what is very good for big needles or big lines, or you need it for big magnums to do black stuff, something like black spots or black outspin. Sorry, I'm German. I'm man from Croatia and speaking German and speaking English and everything together with my head. You know what I mean. When you need to put it on the big spots of black, you can do it with this machine. Or you need to do something very soft, then you're going on 2.3 and you can do it very nice soft shadings. Very nice soft shading. Or you need to go to make it color, then you're going and making around 3.8 or 3.2. That is the great stuff for beginners or for semi-professional. It's very nice stuff. I'm not saying it's not for professional tattooing. Is very nice to handle in hand and everything. But I don't know, Yilong is new factory, but I not use it. I'm trying now. Yilong sent me some machines and some printers. I tried printer is very good. I tried one machine is very good. Now I must try this one, and I will say my opinion. Of course, I will put it 2 videos more for this machine. This is video only to show you what you have in this case, what you will get it for this machine. Price for this machine is around 130 euro, I think. Yes, around 135 euro. You can buy it on Yilong. I will not send you, I will show you, and I will put it the link for website on my description below. If you have any question for this machine, everything what you interesting, put it in commenter. I will answering always. Next video for this machine, I will put it how I protect it, how I protecting this machine. Then you can use it both. Then you can use it with grip and with different strokes and with battery. I will put this one, and I will put it one separate. One next video will only when I'm working with this machine. Something else? And no, you will put it in commenter. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, if you're liking this kind of video what I'm now doing, please put it like or share it, subscribe on my channel, or comment it. For me, will very helpful, because I'm not new in tattoo industry, but I'm always have a fear for showing me and for speak with you guys. Now more and more experience I have it, the more it's easier to speak to you. And yes, we see each other in the next video, of course, always. I have plenty of stuff to show to you, and I have plenty of tricks to show to you. Bye, have a nice evening, have a nice day.